Hello. Hello. Today, during Corona time, we have to take minimum precautions to save ourselves. Today, I am going to show three types of minimum precautions to protect ourselves. So, the first one is, these are the minimum precautionary requirements. The first one is this. This is sanitizer. Sanitizer, we have to use the sanitizer frequently. We have to sanitize our hands very frequently whenever we go out, even we come to the home. And we also have to use the mask whenever we go out, and we have to use the mask very properly. It should cover nose, mouth, and we should use very. If we don't have sanitizer with us, we can use the soap to we can use the soap to wash our hands. So you have seen, so sanitization also we have to do properly. So whenever the liquid had come to us, so we have to do it very nicely. This way we have to do sanitize. These three things we have to do when we are outside the home. Now when we come into the house, so what are the things we have to do? We have to use steaming immediately after entering in the house, and we have to use steaming. So the steamer look like this, and we have to use the steaming, and the steam will come from here. The steam will come from here, and that steam you have to steam it. And if you feel any symptoms, and you can take weekly thrice, without symptoms and with symptoms, weekly thrice you can take citric acid and also some vitamin tablets. Citric acid can be replaced with lemon water. You can use lemon water. And if you feel any symptoms, if you can see any symptoms, you can check with your oxygen level with using pulse oximeter. This is the pulse oximeter. So the pulse oximeter will show you, and you have to use the middle finger, and middle finger, when you keep inside the middle finger, you can see the oxygen here. After some time the oxygen will come. So your oxygen level is here 98. So you are at safe level. If your oxygen level is fine, and if you feel any symptoms, then immediately you can check the temperature with thermometer, and you can take the paracetamol tablet, and you can approach to the doctor. Be safe. Thank you.
Thank you. Use this safety measure.